Dear students, this session we are going to continue problems on mathematical expectation, right? Now see the problem here. Let p of x equal to p by 4 into 1 by 4 power x minus 1, where x equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, with a PMF of a random variable, that is PMF probability mass function. So find p of x greater than 4, p of x greater than 4 bar x greater than 2, E of x and variance of x, okay? Right? Okay. P of x greater than 4. That means P of x equal to 5, P of x equal to 6 and so on. Or otherwise we can write like this. P of x greater than 4. That is 1 minus P of x less than or equal to 4. Okay. So put 1 minus, what is the opposite of greater than symbol? Less than, maybe equal. Okay. Less than or equal to 4. That means it begin from x equal to 1 here. Okay. See 1 here. So P of x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Less than or equal to 4 here. So 4. P of x equal to 1, right? Put x equal to 1 here. If you put 1 here, 3 by 4, 1 by 4 power 0, right? That is 3 by 4. Similarly, P of x equal to 2, put x equal to 2 here. 3 by 4, 1 by 4 power 2 minus 1 is 1 here, okay? Put the value here. Similarly, for x equal to 3, x equal to 4. Now simplify this, we get this solution, 1 by 256. Now second problem is P of x greater than 4 over x greater than 2. Okay, so here this is conditional probability. What is the definition for conditional probability? P of A over B is equal to P of A intersection by P of B. Okay, so now problem here is P of x greater than 4 over P of x greater than 2, that is equal to intersection of these two, P of x greater than 4 intersection x greater than 2, divided by P of x greater than 2 here, not 4 here, it is 2. Okay, 2. Okay, what is the intersection of P of x greater than 4 and P of x greater than 2? The common factor, the x greater than 4 and x greater than 2. What is the common factor? P of x greater than 4 is the common factor. Okay, this is the result here. So in division, P of x greater than 2. So P of x greater than 4 is this value, 1 by 256. P of x greater than 2. To find this, put 1 minus P of x less than or equal to 2. To find P of x greater than 2, use this formula. 1 minus P of x less than or equal to 2, that is 1 by 256. 1 minus less than or equal to 2 means 1, 2. Okay, right? P x equal to 1 is 3 by 4, x equal to is 3 by, that is from this formula. Put x equal to 1 here, put x equal to 2 here. We get this result. After simplification, we get 1 by 16. Right, now third one is E of x. What is the formula for E of x? I running from xi pi. Okay, that is x running from 1 to infinity. That is, see the value, see the I index here, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So that is 1, 2 up to infinity. Put 1 to infinity here, x into P of x equal to x. So what is the value here? The value here is P of 3 by 4, 1 by 4, x minus 1. Okay, x minus 1. So x running from, replace x I by x here. Okay, so x running from 1 to infinity, x into 3 by 4 is constant, you bring away. So now x into 1 by 4 power x minus 1. Now expand the summation. First value is x equal to 1. We put 1 here, 1 into 1 by 4 power 0. This 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 into 1 by 4 power 1 and so on. Okay, so formula for this is 1 by 1 minus x the whole square. 1 minus x the whole square. Instead of x we have 1 by 4. So after simplification we get this result. To find variance of x, what is the formula for variance of x? Formula for variance of x is E of x square minus E of x the whole square. We know E of x, we want to find E of x square. Formula for this is xi square pi. Okay, so now change the index, x running from 1 to infinity, x square P of x equal to x. What is P of x equal to? Apply the function value here. 3 by 4 is constant here being away. That is x square 1 by 4 x minus 1. Okay. Now x square can be written as x into x minus 1 plus x. We might simplify this expression, you get x square. Okay. Right. See here, x square equal to x into x minus 1 plus x. Right. Separate the summation. So we have two summation here. One running from n to 1 to infinity. Right. If you apply here 1 into 2, that is, if you put 1 here, 1 into 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So the first value becomes 0. So start from 2. 2 into 2 minus 1 is, that is 1 into 2. We put 2 here, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 by 4. Next one is x equal to 3. 3 into 2, that is 2 into 3. Okay, 1 by 4 square and so on up to infinity. Now expand this summations. X equal to 1 here, first value. If you put 1 here, 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 by 1 power 0 becomes 1. So 1 here. Put x equal to 2 here. 2 into 1 by 4 power 2 minus 1 is 1. Right? Similarly, x equal to 3. 3 into 1 by 4, 3 minus 1 is 2. And so on. Okay. So formula for this common factor here is 1 by 4. Take away common factor. So write the remaining terms here. For this, apply the same formula. 1 by 1 minus x the whole square. Okay. Same thing. But here 1 into 2, 2 into 3. So apply this formula. 2 by 1 minus x the whole cube formula. Now simplify the expression. You get e of x square equal to 20 by 9. Right? Okay. Now apply here, and after simplification, variance of equal to 2 by 4 by 9, not 2 by 3. This is wrong actually. 4 by 9. Okay. Right. So this is another important problem. The probability function of an infinite discrete distribution is p of x equal to j 1 by 2 power j. Actually this is j equal to 1 to 3. Find the p of x is even. Next one is p of x divided by 3 mean variance. If p of x is even number means 2, 4, 6 likewise. So if you put x equal to 2 here, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4 square, 1 by 6 square and so on. Sorry, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4, 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 2 power 6 and so on. So what is the common term here? 1 by 2 square, right? So then simplifying 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 by 4, we can write like this: 1 by 4 square, 1 by 4 cube. Now apply geometric series formula. This is 1 by 4 as it is. The formula here is 1 by 1 minus x. Instead of x we have 1 by 4. Put here 1 by 4. After simplification we get 1 by 3. Next one is x is divisible by 3. That means p of x equal to 3, p of x equal to 6 and so on. That is 1 by 2, 2 power 3, 1 by 2 power 6 plus 1 by 2 power 9. So this is actually 2 power 3. Take 1 by 2 cube as common factor, we get this result. That is 1 by 8 plus 1 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 square and so on, because write in powers of 8 here. Now after simplification we get 1 by 7. Now next one is expectation. What is the formula for expectation? Summation j into pj. Sorry, pj here. J running from 1, 1, 1 by 2, 2, 1 by 2 square, 3, 1 by 3 square. If you this into. The common factor here is 1 by 2. If you take common factor 1 by 2, having 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 square and so on. Now apply again formula 1 by 1 minus x the whole square formula, we get this result e of x equal to 2. To find the variance of x, we are going to apply this formula e of x square minus e of x the whole square, right? E of x square formula is summation j square pj. That is j square can be written as j into j minus 1 plus j. Now separate the summation, right? Expand, apply everything. After simplification we get this result 6. Variance of x formula is e of x square minus e of x the whole square. 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay. So next now we are going to discuss about continuous random variable. A continuous random variable as a PDF f of x equal to k x square e power minus x for x greater than 0. Find k, mean and variance. So this is continuous random variable. By definition, integral value is equal to 1. Integral minus infinity plus infinity. What is f of x? K into x square e power minus x dx 1. K is the common factor here, bring away. Apply this formula, gamma distribution formula here, 2 factorial by 1 square. That is equal to 1, k equal to 1 by 2. Okay, right? Now mean formula is e of x equal to minus infinity plus infinity x into f of x dx. Okay, x into f of x is here x, f of x equal to k equal to 1 by 2 here, right? X square, everything here. After simplification we get this result. Same thing here, x square f of x, x square into x square e power minus x become x power 4. Apply the same formula here we get. So here we apply this formula. Actually gamma distribution formula is we have already given here. Don't confuse with the formula, right? See the formula 0 to infinity x power n minus 1 e power minus ax dx. Whatever in the power we put factorial. A is there, a power n minus 1 means simply n. Okay, Likewise this formula. So don't confuse with the formula. Okay. So in the case of continuous distribution, we can find like this. After simplification, e of x square is 12. Now find variance of x, that is equal to 3. Right? Now another one. For a triangular distribution, f of x equal to x from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 minus x, otherwise it is 0. Find moment generating function with respect to origin, also find the mean and the variance. So this is very important question. Moment generating function formula is e of e power tx minus infinity plus infinity e power t. This is continuous distribution. This is continuous case. So put internal formula e power tx f of x dx. Right? From 0 to 1 it is x. So otherwise it is 0. 0 to 1 e power tx x. From 1 to 2 e power tx 2 minus x. Otherwise this is 0, this is 0. Right, now simplify this. Apply UV formula. Okay, after simplification and after cancellation we get this result, moment generating function. So formula for rth moment is n time r time differentiation of moment generating function at the point t equal to 0. Right, or we can apply Taylor series formula. So whatever it may be, we can use the formula here. So here we differentiate this with respect to t here. Differentiate this with respect to t and finally put t equal to 0 here. Or otherwise we can apply infinite series formula, right? 1 minus e power t by t square. Exponential series formula, apply this. Square this, cancel the term, get series like this. Simplifying, applying a plus b whole square formula, we get the series like this. So here e of x is 1 here. E of x square is, what is the coefficient here? Sorry, e of x is coefficient of t here 1. E of x square is coefficient of this 7 by 6 factorial, right? Coefficient of t square by 2 factorial. So mean equal to 1. Variance is e of x square minus e of x the whole square. 7 by 6 minus 1 is 1 by 6. Right, now next one. Find the moment generating function and the arc moment for the distribution. So a continuous case problem is given. We are going to find the moment generating function as well as mean and variance. So MGF formula is this one. Apply here k into e power 1 minus 2x. We get k into 1 minus after simplification. Right, after integration. Rth moment formula is this much. Apply Rth moment formula e of x power r. We can use like this. So mean and variance. Mean equal to k and e of x is 2k. 2 factorial k. Suppose a random variable x as the moment generating function, then like this, find mean and variance. Okay, we can simply write like this form. Okay, differentiate this with respect to t one time and then differentiate with respect to 2 time. Mean equal to simply e of x. Put t equal to 0 in one time differentiation, we get e of x equal to 1 by 2. E of x with 2 time differentiation, put t equal to 0, we get 1 by 2. Variance formula is this one. Right? Okay.